What is up, guys, and welcome back to the video. So we are finally here. Race day has arrived, and as you can see, I got the fresh sticker kit on. The sun is blasting down on us, and we're quickly gonna set up. So hi Nicole. We're quickly gonna set up the pits area, and then I'll take some time and speak about all the sponsors that are on the graphics kit. So we did registration, we got the pit set up. As you guys saw the time lapse, we are quickly over here at the gate to watch the juniors pull off or start their race. After all, the series is focused on the youth development, so we're here to show the support for the young guys. Alright, so on to the graphics kit. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen, Instagram and Facebook, you would have seen I posted some pics of the graphics kit, and it looks absolutely sick. So first off, I'd like to thank Ripperinooo Graphics, yes, the T is silent, for actually sponsoring the graphics kit to me. And then secondly, Vans Racing for sponsoring my entry for the race. And we got the Bronks, obviously. Even though Zane is not here and not competing today, he was kind enough to borrow me his GoPro. So we are actually running a GoPro Hero 7 for this race. So we'll have some nice stable footage for a change. And we got Dirt Monkey Mountain Rides, and coincidentally, the whole Dirt Monkey crew is pitting right next to us. So if you guys are keen to do some awesome outright weekends in the Lowveld, Pilgrim's Rest, Steelpoort, definitely check out Dirt Monkey on Facebook. You won't regret it. Then we've got Dirt Magic Detergents. They supply me with awesome detergents, awesome degreaser and other detergents that you can use for everything from cleaning your bike, car, boats, household items. And then last but not least, we've got WildNet TV. So WildNet TV is a free subscription streaming service, and if you are interested in hunting, fishing, 4x4, adventure riding, Enduro, of course, Maranda's media is also featured on their streaming service. Go ahead and check that out as well. So thanks to all the companies and my lovely wife for all the support. I highly appreciate it. And then to you all, the subscribers, obviously if you guys didn't watch the videos, they wouldn't have been worth making. So on that subject, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. If you were at the Farm Jam race, drop a comment down below. Let's have a conversation. How did you enjoy the race? How was the terrain for you? How did you finish? You have got to be kidding me.
Hey guys, so as you can see, we ran into some technical difficulties. Now Rickert and the boys are trying to fix his bike. At least we are trying to see if they can maybe sort something out here so that Mud and Dust Media can compete in the race. We will keep you posted.
Obviously, as you guys can judge from the previous clip, something in the KTM decided it's finished. I assume it might be the rings or something, but it kind of sounded like bearings. So yeah, now we are sitting here with a very fancy polished paperweight, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some footage for you guys of the big bikes, the gate drop for the big bikes, and we're gonna support the Dirt Monkey guys for a couple of laps and pit for them, help them with fueling, get them some drinks and stuff, so at least the day is not a total waste. Fortunately, whatever decided to grenade in the motor happened while I was punting the bike up and down in the pits, trying to test the camera angle for the GoPro, because obviously if it happened while I was going full taps on the track itself, it would have grenaded the whole motor. So I suppose that's a silver lining. When we get back home, we'll pull it apart and do the diagnosis. So yeah, I suppose stay tuned for that video.
Maar aí por um metro, a maximum was terug.
Back home after the race. Unfortunately, we couldn't stay the whole day. We had some other engagements that we had to get to, so we left about halfway through the race. At least we got to help some of the Dead Monkey guys out with some pit duties. But man, can't lie when I say I am pretty disappointed and jealous, because I heard from the guys that actually finished the race that it was a freaking ripper. Awesome track, great balance of a little bit faster stuff, the technical stuff, a little bit of issues with traffic jams, but nothing too crazy. So yeah, the old paperweight. So what we're gonna do, and well, I can't really say that I'm super surprised, because this motor has done like more than 260 hours probably, so I've got some good use out of it, and now it's time to completely refresh it. So what the game plan is going to be, because obviously there's always a budget, and this was kind of unforeseen, could have been prevented I suppose. But I mocked up the plastics on the KTX. We're gonna focus on finishing this bike now and finalizing this project, and then we'll probably sell it on to the next owner, and the money we make from this. And I'm also working on finalizing the website. But if you guys want merch, there is a pre-order form available. I'll have it linked in the video and linked on the screen. So if you guys want Mud and Dust Media merch, and if you guys want to support either of the two builds, it will go a long way to help. So you can go ahead and check out the pre-order form and order yourself some merch. But anyways, once we have the funds available, we will get everything we need for the KTM and then get it back together, hopefully as soon as possible, and then we'll get back out there. We'll probably see you guys, hopefully, at the next round of the Farm Jam series. I'm really itching to get the bike back together and get riding again. But yeah, if you guys are still watching the video, thanks. I appreciate you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. If you ran the race, hit the like button. Drop a comment down below. What did you think of the new layout of the Farm Jam race? Did you enjoy it? Was there something you didn't like? How did you finish? What do you think you need to work on? Fitness, riding technique, whatever. Maybe we can do some video series to help you guys perform better on the next round. So with all that, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Peace out and keep ripping.